Hi, my name's Chris. I have developed a huge passion for motorcycles over the years, ever since I was 19 years old. I have done some work on motorcycles whilst I was in Greece. That's where I originally come from. But then, in 2010, I migrated to Australia. It took me some time to settle in and eventually start with what I enjoyed most, motorcycles. Motorcycles, at that time, I had developed a huge nostalgia for the past days. You know, the good days, the 80s and the 90s. So when I found the opportunity to buy a Yamaha FZR1000, I did it straight away. And then a Suzuki GSXR750. And then a ZX9R Kawasaki. And then a Chevrolet Camaro. Oh, I like old cars too. I forgot to mention that, sorry. So, as you can see, my channel is focused on motorcycles and cars. Well, mostly motorcycles. I try to restore each and one of them back to their original condition as when they walked out of the factory. I really enjoy what I do. So if you don't mind, jump in and have a look at my videos. There might be something you might like. No, motorcycles? Oh, God help us with this channel.